Hey folks, welcome to week number 6. Okay, so this week largely is about taking the week to write your essay. Don't say wait until the very end of the week to do this. Okay, take your time, work on it. Use the time I'm giving you to work on this. Okay, so what do you have this week? I will say the video, obviously. There is a sample essay too. I strongly suggest you read it carefully. I can tell when I grade essays as to whether or not anyone looked at the sample essay. I can really tell. It's very clear. Folks who look at the sample essay go, oh, I see how this all fits together. They have a clear idea about thesis statements, how to do introductions for this, all of those sorts of things, okay? Just a video reminding you how to, about summarizing and paraphrasing, the difference between the two, and how to do it, and then a couple links out to put together an MLA Works Cited page from Purdue's Online Writing Lab, and then how to do in-text citations from Purdue's Online Writing Lab. Just a refresher if you don't know how to do it. It's right there. And then, of course, the draft, okay? We're going to do peer review next week, so get that draft in because I will need that draft, obviously, for us to do peer review. If you've got any questions as you work this week, don't hesitate to let me know. I'll be glad to help.